Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Solutions, your ultimate destination for all things travel. Today, we're here to prove that you can have an incredible vacation without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll share our top tips and tricks for planning a budget-friendly trip, along with some fantastic ideas from Travel Solutions that you won't want to miss. Tip 1. Affordable accommodations. First up, let's talk about finding affordable accommodations. Did you know that when you book your next trip with Travel Solutions, you can get up to 30% off on a wide range of hotels, vacation rentals, and even charming bed and breakfasts? Yes, you heard that right. We've partnered with top accommodation providers to bring you exclusive deals, ensuring you have a comfortable stay without stretching your budget. But that's not all. If you use our special promo code STAY15 during checkout, you'll get an extra 15% off on your stay. It's our way of saying, thank you for choosing Travel Solutions as your travel partner. Tip 2. Flight deals. Next, let's tackle those flight deals. Travel Solutions has your back with unbeatable discounts on flights. By booking your airfare through us, you can enjoy up to 25% off on select airlines and routes. And here's the cherry on top. Become our user and utilize the great discount on your flight booking. That's right, more savings to make your dream vacation a reality. Tip 3. Saving money on attractions. Last but not least, let's discuss how you can save money on attractions during your trip. When you book any travel package through Travel Solutions, you'll have access to our exclusive Explorer Pass. This pass grants you up to 40% off on entry fees to major attractions, museums, and tours in your destination. It's like having a magic key to unlock the best experiences at a fraction of the cost. There you have it, folks. Our valuable tips for planning a budget-friendly vacation, along with some incredible promotions from us. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean missing out on the fun. It means making the most out of your journey without overspending. If you're excited about these deals and tips, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and exclusive offers. Get in touch with us to explore all the fantastic promotions we have in store for you. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more information. Thank you.